A mother of three says she is running out of options after repeated attempts to get help for her family ended in disappointment. She says her home is in a perilous state with damaged sections patched together using old plywood and galvanized, while makeshift stairs built with scrap wood and rusty nails remain unsafe. Despite her efforts, parts of the house are still left with holes, leaving her unable to complete the repairs on her own. The worsening conditions prompted her to seek assistance from her constituency office, but she claims the visit left her feeling humiliated and unwelcome. She also alleges that after supporting her representative during the election, she expected help, but instead was met with hostility from staff.
The response I get from them, it wasn't nice at all. They're telling me like I didn't vote for them. And they will never give me nothing again. They don't want to see me, nor my family.
She says she was initially given materials before, but alleges she was ultimately turned away without the assistance she had requested presently. She says her efforts to secure support for repairs and other needs affecting her children have so far been unsuccessful.
What that going on there, it's not right. And I know they have how many people that is go through it, and then they're afraid to come on the news and different places for people to see like what that going on. And then they gave me a little material the last time when before elections, I went to them for a little material and I got it. So they even sent that in my face saying they give me material and I never vote for them, and that's not even true. Who knows, because as soon as I finished vote for them, I actually went upstairs in the office and I told them, yes, I vote, but it's the same people in the office that are against people like me that are looking for the assistance.
The mother of three says she is now sharing her story in the hope that someone will intervene and provide the support her family urgently needs. I'm Christabel Obi reporting for Hot 7 TV News.